It's Shannon from Meet Shannon Lee, professional makeup artist. So today I'm doing a real quick, simple spring look. We're going to be going out, my clothing line, Empire Street Style. We're going to be going out today and taking a couple pictures. It's a beautiful spring day. It's like 65 degrees and sunny. So we're going to take some pictures in the park. So for that, I'm just going to create an easy look and a makeup tutorial for that. Here's the two looks I'll be wearing today. I'm going to be wearing this lightweight zip-up hoodie with yoga pants and this crop top sweatshirt hoodie with white leggings. So these are the outfits I'm going to be wearing later on, and can't wait to share the photos with you guys later. Great. So on to the makeup tutorial. Gonna start with my foundation. I've already prepped my skin. I clean, tone, moisturize, and then I do put on a base beauty balm. I have my Artistry Exact Fit foundation. I always apply my foundation with a wet beauty blender. Do a little concealer under my eyes to brighten them up. Oh, I'm using the Artistry Exact Fit concealer in light. And I use my beauty blender to lightly tap, 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 tap under the eye. You want to be very gentle. And blend all that product in. When you use the loose powder, you want to use a nice fluffy brush. Get the product on, but make sure to tap all the extra off. Otherwise, it's just going to go everywhere. Now I'm going to go to my angled brush, angled fluffy brush, and do a little contour. Light brown and the dark brown colors for my skin. Pucker my lips. And go in that natural line on my face. Bring a little under my jawbone. Okay, next step is my blush. Today I'm going to go with some fun spring colors, so I'm going to go with a mixture of these two for right here, and then the shimmery light color is going to go from the apple of my cheek all the way across and blend it all together. Now I'm going to go to that light color, smile. I take a fan brush, nice and thin, one of my favorite brushes, and a nice little highlighter. I'm going to use the pink today for spring. A very light neutral color with a little shimmer, and do a wash over my whole eyelid. fluffy brush and a pink shade. We're gonna go with some pretty pinks today, a little softer. This nice rosy pink. And go in my crease and over my lid with it. I'm gonna take this really pretty light pink and put that on my lid. Take this darker pink and a smaller, closer to the bristles are closer together brush. Put that on there. Your dark color, you want a smaller brush. And I'm gonna put that dark color in that crease corner of my eye. Next I'm going to take that fluffy brush I started with and blend the three colors together really nicely and soft. I'm going to take that fine tip brush and the darkest color, get it on the brush. It's going to be my bottom liner just right here. Finish with the lightest color in the corner of the eye and bring it this way. I'm going to do my eyebrows. I have the brush, pencil, and then I have the Collab Shape and Shade Eyebrow Mascara. My next step is my eyeliner. I'm going to go with my e.l.f. eyeliner. It's black and it has a brush. It's my favorite one. Signature Eyes Length and Definition Mascara. Last step is our lips. I have a Collab Blossom Pink Matte Lip Gloss lip color.